how to make money from Clickbank in under 10 minutes. If you are looking for making money online from Clickbank and without waiting for too much time, this is a video for you. You cannot get rich using this strategy, but it helps you to find a way on how can you promote Clickbank products and make money. Obviously, you can scale this business up to a more extent and earn a full-time income from home. But before starting out this video, if you do not know about my channel, then here I'm showing you all the money making tips, digital marketing concepts, and how to become an entrepreneur. If you wanted to get similar types of videos, consider subscribing to my channel, and if you like this video, don't forget to click the like button. If you wanted to earn a full-time income from home, then I have mentioned the link in the description box. That is my most recommended system out there, and I have learned all those concepts using this system. So let's start it with the today's video. Just move to the platform, that is clickbank.com. If you already have a Clickbank account, that's good. If you do not have, just click on a create account button. After that, provide your all the requisite information, personal banking and account information. It hardly takes you 3 to 5 minutes, and after completing all those things, just log into the Clickbank's account. But make sure that you provide the right information to the Clickbank, because based on that information they will send a check to your either a PayPal account or to your banking account. After login to your account, move to the affiliate marketplace. Here you will see that these are different types of categories. You may work on any category, but the most popular categories on the Clickbank are e-business and e-marketing, health and fitness, parenting and families. I generally prefer to work on e-business and e-marketing because I have a knowledge and I have an interest about this category, and there are a lot of affiliate products you may find in this category. Just click on e-business and e-marketing. If you like health and fitness, you can just go there. No problem at all. Here is the filter. You can sort your products using different things. I generally prefer to sort using gravity. If you just look at this product affiliate bots, it has a gravity of 89 and it is offering an average affiliate commission of $13. I generally prefer to promote a product that has a gravity of at least 40 and that offers me an affiliate commission of at least $50. So if you just look at these products, generally after selecting a product, you can just go through Google and check a review about that particular product. If majority of the people are talking a positive thing about that particular product, you should select that product, because there are a lot of negativity about those products in the market, and many people have written negative reviews about those products. So make sure after selecting a product, just go to the google.com and select the brand and check the brand reputation of that particular product. And after checking all those products, I have a knowledge about Clickbank University. It has a gravity of about 40 and it offers an average affiliate commission of $168. It is a monthly pricing option, and generally customers usually last for 3 to 5 months, so it gathers up to $168. After selecting this product, just open up the landing page and let's look at the landing page, whether it is users friendly or not. So it looks clean landing page with a video and all the basic stuff that should be part of the landing page. So it looks like a good landing page. After that, if you wanted to promote this product, just click on promote, and from here you can take your affiliate link. These are the different types of pages that you want to show to your customers. If you wanted to show the default page, and here you can add your account nickname and click on the generate hop links. This is your hop link, that is the link very unique to you, and Clickbank will track your progress using this link. All you need is to take this link, copy this link. The link looks ugly because it is a long link and people generally don't like such type of link. So move to a platform that is known as Bit.ly. It is actually a link shortening platform. Paste your URL here, click on shorten, Now you have updated your link. Just take that updated link, copy it, and now I will show you my strategy, and then I will show you how you can use that strategy to earn your sales in under 10 minutes. This is my strategy. First you need to set up all of your things, and after once you set up all of your things and once you start your campaign, you can easily get your sales in under 10 minutes. Make sure you set up your sales funnel first. This is out of the 10-minute box because you have to ready those things. Just create your landing page. If you do not know how to create a landing page, I have already created many videos on creating a landing page. For this purpose, you can just look for those videos. I will also put that link in my description box. But for the purpose of this video, I generally prefer to use Thrive Architect plugin. It is a plugin from the Thrive themes which help us to create beautiful landing pages, and it is far more cheaper than the other pricey softwares like ClickFunnels. But it is up to you if you wanted to use Thrive Architect or ClickFunnels. Even there are other softwares or platforms out there that will help you to create a landing page. After creating a landing page, there will be an opt-in form in the landing page. You need to connect that opt-in form to the autoresponder. Autoresponder is a software that will catch all of your email addresses, all of your visitors email addresses, and in the autoresponder we have to set up our pre-written email series. I prefer to add 30 days email series, and the beauty of the system is that as soon as we gather up the email addresses of our visitors, traffic keeps coming in on our landing page, and those visitors who will provide us the email address, because we will provide value on the landing page. Like if you just write a landing page that if you wanted to make $10,000 per month, then provide your email address now and I will send you a free ebook, or I will send you a platform that you can use to earn your $10,000 per month. Then there is chance that out of 100 people, 40 to 50 people will provide their email addresses, and those email addresses will be stored in your autoresponder. And once it gets stored, you have a chance to send your email series that will be added already in the autoresponder, and it is a totally automatic process. You have to just set up this process once, and once you done with this, then this autoresponder will do it on an automatic manner. After providing their email addresses, those visitors will then move to your affiliate offer page. Affiliate offer page is the Clickbank University page. After shortening your link, you have to attach or you have to add that link in the opt-in form, and once those traffic visit your landing page, they provide their email addresses. Their email addresses will be stored in the autoresponder, and then they move to your affiliate offer. So I hope you get the idea. This is the whole funnel, and using this funnel you can get many sales later on. With under 10 minutes you can definitely make your sale, but after 10 minutes you can even get more sales using this funnel. After setting up all of your funnel, your next task is to drive traffic to your sales funnel. This is really important because the traffic you are getting to your sales funnel determines your success rate. The traffic model I am going to show you is really converting nowadays, and I highly recommend to use this traffic system. The traffic system is known as solo ads. Solo ads is a type of traffic in which, rather than we are building in our own list, we are actually buying traffic from the people who already have a large email list. So what we can do, we just contact those sellers and pay for a certain space, and those people will actually send our mail that contains our landing page link to their email subscribers. And when those subscribers open up their email and click on our link, then those people will actually move from the email to our landing page. You may be thinking that where to find those sellers. There is a very popular platform that is known as Udemy. udemy.com. Just go to the udemy.com and create your account. And after creating your account with the udemy.com, you will find different solo providers here. These are the top solo providers. Just click on find sellers, and here you can set up your different criterias. Like you can set up your price, you can set up the ratings. For generally, I will guide you how you can buy from those sellers. This is the rate per click rate. Like if you wanted to buy the 100 clicks, then you have to pay $56. So one click at the rate of 56 cents. 26% means that 26% people have actually claimed that they have got sales after buying from this solo ad provider. This is from the last 100 days. 26% people have claimed that they have got sales after buying from the seller. And this is the like versus dislikes. 307 have upvoted this seller, and only 2 have disliked the seller. So that's how you can look at those things. And I recommend you to go for not more than 50 cents, and at least you should look at more than at least 20%. And you should also look at the likes versus dislike ratio. Let's look at this seller. I generally go at this seller because though the price is high, but the traffic is real quality. Because you can look at that, 58% of the people are claiming they got sales using this seller, and this guy has only likes 1141 likes. So I really go for this seller. Just click on this seller, and from here you can select your number of clicks that you want to buy. I recommend you to I recommend you to go for 200 visitors to 300 visitors, because using this at least 200 to 300 visitors, you have enough data to judge whether this seller is providing you the quality traffic or not. Let's suppose you buy the 200 visitors. So here you will need to pay $141. That includes the $3 base filter price. And if you want only top tier traffic, so you have to pay extra $20. And if you want no mobile, you have to pay extra $20. So I generally do not click any of those things. So just by default, I generally use those things. And you have to provide your landing page here. However, if you wanted to provide your own email, just click on I have add text, add your subject, and provide your email, written email that seller will provide to his email or email subscribers. You need to provide your email that include your landing page link. So one that provider will send your email to his email list that include your landing page, and when his people or subscriber read your email that contain your link, and when those people click on that link, they will actually move to your landing page. That's how you get traffic from the solo ads. And just read through the reviews, real traffic and high quality. Thank you. 62 subscribers, 1 sale. Brother Khalid, one of my top solo ad providers. 45 leads, 110 clicks, got a sale. Another awesome run. So you are seeing that majority of the people are claiming that they have got sales using this solo ad provider. So here, using this funnel, let's suppose you invested $100 in your solo ad provider. So I just give you an example here. Let's suppose you have invested $100 on here. You have invested $100 and you have got, let's suppose, 150 clicks. Out of 150 clicks, those who visited your landing page, let's suppose 60 people have actually opted into your email list. Like they have provided their email addresses, and that will be stored in your autoresponder. And those 60 people, when they have provided their email address. After that, they will then move to your affiliate offer. Let's suppose this affiliate offer will provide you $50 commission, and out of those 60 people, as per my experience, 1 to 2 people will definitely earn you a sales. So let's suppose if you just get one sale, so you have earned $50. Now you may be thinking that you have invested $100 on the solo ads, but you got just one sale, $50. But keep remember that you have now high quality 60 leads, and you have a 30-day series stored in your autoresponder. So when you send those subscribers email on a daily basis, there is a high chance that 5 to 6 people will actually end up buying your product. That is called email marketing. So if you multiply this by $50, your affiliate product commission, you have earned $250. $250 and 50, total you have earned $3. You have invested $100, so your net profit is $200. That's the power of email marketing, and within 10 minutes you have earned your affiliate commission with the solo ad provider. So as soon as you order those vendors, they will accept your orders and they will immediately start sending traffic to your sales funnel. You can even set the date on which date you want to use that traffic, and on that date the seller will start providing traffic from their email list to your landing page. So you can immediately start seeing results within 10 minutes. There's a likely chance that there's an 80 to 90% chance that you will get sales. So just go through those reviews. Those people are getting sales. So that's how you can generate sales. Got sales. So you are looking that these people are claiming that they have just got sales at the front end after using that product. This is how you can use the system and got sales immediately. And if you have any question in your mind, please ask me in the comment section. That's all for today. Thank you.